Converting PST to MBOX files can be a bit challenging sometimes. For easy and safe conversion, use the MacSonik PST file converter. With the PST file converter, you can convert PST files of any size and it will securely convert your data without breaking the original content of the file. You can get a demo version of this tool for a few free conversions, and that is guaranteed to remain accurate. And if you have any questions, you can always chat with our expert support. Now, you would like to get the steps to export PST to MBOX. As you launch the MacSonik Outlook PST Converter tool, you will find this screen displayed. Select either of the two options, single files, just multiple files, or select folder. Tap Next. Now press on the Select Files, Select Folder tab to add PST files. Click Open. Click on the Next tab to proceed further for conversion. Next, all the selected PST files will be shown systematically. When you double-click on mailbox items, you can preview the entire content, including the attachments. Mark the PST file that you want to convert or migrate. Hit the Next tab to proceed. The file format is clicked by default, so choose the MBOX file format from the Saves, Backup, Migrate as menu. In this software, you can find various features, such as remove duplicate mails, remove identical or similar data based on to, from, subject, BCC, and body. Save in the same folder. This allows you to save your resultant file at the source folder. Migrate or backup emails without attachment files. You can restrict the attachments from the migration or backup. Once you're done, save the file path and press the Convert button to start the conversion from PST to MBOX. After the process is finished, click on the Download Report button. Also, press Convert again for more conversions. This is how you can easily convert Outlook PST file to MBOX. The tool is reliable and has more additional features such as it allows users to import emails, contacts, calendars, and many more items in bulk, easily and securely. It also converts PST to PDF with attachments and other files as well. You can find the download link in the description.